Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's the day we are young family. I'm Trisha. Who's this? My yes, Carol Young. And what's your name? Alright, that's Araya, guys. Guys, the time is getting a little bit dark, right? So on the right, guys, it's Mr. Young, and on the left is, who is this? Who is this? Yes, who is this?
I don't know.
On the left, guys, is my longtime friend, one of my best friends, Enroy Young. Coming from
Might be too long, man.
Alright, that part.
My God.
Alright, that part of the young family. I'm tired, people. People will get a couple hours sleep. Well, listen with me. Enroy. Enroy Samuels, guys. Alright, young Leo. Man. I'm tired, Enroy. You have to stay with me. I had 2 hours sleep.
No,
Again.
tired, man. Me know before, no.
Yeah, no. No, sir, Enroy Samuels people, not Enroy Young. No, sir, my head. So, guys, Enroy is coming all the way from Jamaica, and he brought the best thing for us, people. He bring with some nice KFC.
What room is that? Alright, put up yourself.
4-day-old KFC never tastes so good. Elio,
Yeah, man, for you.
it never tastes so good. We never appreciate the things when we are in Jamaica, and now that we're over here, we have to learn to appreciate it. So guys, we're just taking Enroy around Cayman just a little bit. And yeah, so stay with us, guys. We might show you a glimpse or just a little bit of a little peep of what we're going to do.
Movie restaurant.
Ice cream place, everything there. Yes, the Camana Bay. My good friends there, premier people, pretty in white. Guys, if you don't want information, please to inbox me. You know, you have to come through me first, right? You have to have good qualifications too, you know, guys. You can't just come so you know. How about with my table? Needs to bring in something.
Guys, so we went to Camana Bay, and Camana Bay is definitely a place to visit if you're ever in the Cayman Islands. This is where the action happens.
This is the movie theater. Old mommy Ann now. The movie theater. Yeah, is this the only movie theater in Cayman? This is the only one that I know of. Oh. Yeah. Nice size movie theater. Where are we going, babe? You're going towards the lake? Oh. Get it. Yeah, so a lot of the restaurants, they're down there, so on the lake side. But all of these, lot of restaurants they're just over there, so restaurants basically they're everywhere. This reminds you, I know we are in Jamaica.
I don't think they have any layout.
Mm-hmm. I don't remember having a place like this either. But I went to the place where it's on Constant Spring Road where
Mana Park? Mana Park?
and the Manor Park. They have some like
Right across from Mana
Chinese
Park.
restaurant and
Where them have the Mana Center?
yeah,
Right close to the bridge.
yeah.
Right at CPM. Before I go CPM.
A lot of restaurants there over there.
Where
I just-
record there?
Yeah.
Yeah, but
You don't say like this, but I work for restaurants over there.
yeah, you have a lot of restaurants over there.
Mm-hmm.
But the whole layout and
Yeah.
everything. There's anywhere in Jamaica with a house here to here. Here it's just different. We have a lot of places where we have like a lot of restaurants and entertainment spots, like big plazas, but not like this.
This is a center. If you come to Cayman, you need to come to Camana.
We have several plazas concentrated in a 7 years and one big spot. The
Mm-hmm.
layout is different.
So guys, next we went to Legendz. This was our very first time visiting this bar and grill restaurant, and guys, we had a great time. As we had heard many great reviews about it, so we decided that this would be the perfect time to try.
This reminds me of where the food name, the food place name at Apple Tree where we did go one time. A bar. With the bar part and then
Close down,
seriously?
Yeah.
Leo and right say A bar closed down. Oh why?
I'm not going to go in my eyes.
The food how was it? You ever go there to eat?
More than one time.
And the food never tastes good and the ambience good, so why then close down?
Guys, we spent some time catching up. Guys, this was our second time meeting friends from Jamaica in the last 4 years. You can just imagine.
So guys, we're just giving you a snapshot of what we're gonna eat. Yes guys, we're just enjoying friends and company, right? So we're not going to be in your face too much today, right? It looks a lot, so we have to get right into it and choose what we want. Alright?
Guys, for appetizer, we had some chicken wings, and I must say they were very tasty.
We rate it. 8 out of 10. They love chicken wings. And you like it, Enroy? We rate it. 7. Alright, Enroy says 7. They call it the description, leave in a contact number, alright? You have to come through me. What type of girl you look at, right? And I tell them.
Not looking for anyone.
I'm not looking for nobody. Alright, never look for you though. And that's the description. Guys, we are waiting our main course, and we are waiting our main course at appetizer, and we're very kind of full, but we can do it.
So guys, this was our main course. Obi and NY had some Jamaican jerk chicken. Yes guys, the serving size was a lot, I must say. So while I had some Asian stir-fried rice.
Guys, this is some stir-fried rice with shrimp and lobster. There are some jerk chicken, guys, and serve the one with those of here, so and right up the same thing. Yes, I'm ready to start. Awesome. Guys, look here, I'm gonna get chopstick. What am I do with chopstick? Guys, look at the after. Guys, this is Legendz. They give a lot of food. The food finished, we finished eating, and it look like we don't touch it because it's appetizer. Elio?
Guys, it was an evening well spent. We had a great time, guys. But if you have not yet subscribed, though, what are you waiting for? Please tell a friend to tell a friend about We Are Young Family. Hit that subscription button, like out the video as well. Until next time, bye guys.